Vanakkam, Namaste, Swagatam. We are almost complete with the partner intimacy program. We have covered spouse, gender is ally, 12 dimensions, past relationship, distance relationship, and we have reached kama, sex. So let us get into it. Few people think that sex should not be taught. What is that to teach? It is better not to teach. But the reality is completely the way around. Why? Because this is the very, very important segment where people underestimate or overestimate and mess up things. They always think sex has its own limitation, but they don't see how sex is a network, how it can affect so many other things in our personal life. So, in this segment under Kama, we are going to see four things: the basics of Kama, the differences, the caution which we need to keep in mind, and action plan. Let us go one by one. Why is that Kama important? That is what we are going to see first. The first reason is sex is not forbidden. We need to understand few things. There are different civilizations have different picture of sex, but according to Indian culture, sex is something which is not forbidden, whereas sex is divine. A rishi, a spiritual saint, wrote a book called Kama Sutra. Kama Sutra talks about life of sex in detail. Even in so many Hindu temples, you can see so many erotic statues. The concept of sex from an Indian perspective is completely unique and different. The second dimension is sex is a medium. It is not something to be banned or something to be looked down at, but sex is a medium. Medium for what? Medium to oneness between husband and wife, mother and father. When a person thinks sex as a medium to reach oneness between husband and wife, the very approach of sex will become more respectful, right? The third dimension is Indian approach. What is Indian approach? We see sex as ultimate worldly joy. Worldly, I repeat, worldly pleasure. There are so many pleasure, and sex is the ultimate pleasure when it comes to worldly pleasure. So, keeping all these things in mind, let us see the approach. There are people, those who underestimate sex and they don't value sex. They see sex as a forbidden thing, or as a boring thing, or as a low thing, and they don't enter into that segment. Or there are people, those who overestimate sex and they always think about sex, or enter into different fantasies. Both are dangerous. Number first, let us see what is underestimation and why do they underestimate sex. The first reason could be spiritual. Many a times this happens. When they walk towards spirituality, they think sex is now a negative thing. The second dimension is passion. When they have passion towards achieving something, work or profession or business, whatever it is, then also they think all these things are kshanika, temporary and low level. And third thing, they might have got some other addiction. Because of that addiction, they don't get life in sex. And what about overestimation? Who overestimates sex? Naturally, they will have so much of inclination towards sex. The second category is suppression. From the childhood, there is a huge suppression that no, sex is something whoa, and all the media, movie, everywhere we get advertisements, everywhere we see sexual content, and because of all these things and comments and words and colors and images, whatever comes into our head from the moment when we became adult, because of all the suppression in the head, there is a possibility of overestimation towards sex. And the third thing is, again, sex itself could be addiction. Let's close all these things. Now let us see area of influence. There are three areas which it can influence. The first thing is personal health. I am not saying if you do many times sex, your health will be good. That's not the statement here. But sex has directly connection with your health and health as whole. We will discuss. It's a mistake. The second thing is couples intimacy. A husband and wife will become very close when they have a very good sex life. Everybody agree. The third thing, this many people don't know. A family's peace is connected with the sexual satisfaction of a partner. This is a very unique dimension. This is also, proven in many case studies. When a person is sexually happy and satisfied, that person will have lesser conflicts within the family members. We will discuss in detail, but this is just for taking you gradually. This is the area of influence. Now let us see the difference between man and woman. Now, which man and woman? Is it psychological? Is it physical? I'll leave that to you. When you see the difference, you will understand. I'm very sorry if you are hurt by using these terms of pickup, mileage, etc. But this is just to make you remember a few things, so clearly without any doubt. Because these kinds of catchy words will stuck in our head so strong so that we will not miss out. I have seen so many people having an amazing life professionally, but personally, they have such a bitterful life. And once you understand the nature of human being, human body, and the approach and the expectation and the reality, you will see what exactly is missing. And you don't need any magic wand to realize these things. Just by seeing people, you will understand how good is their sexual life, because their entire approach, their comfort zone, everything will be different. Women's pickup, what I say is the speed, how much quickly they get into sexual world. They take time, they start slow. Let us simultaneously do. And whereas for a man, it is very fast. In no time a man can get sexually aroused, whereas a woman takes time, it's slow. Mileage, stamina, how long a person can withstand sexual energy. Woman takes more time. She can withstand in the sexual pleasure for a longer duration, whereas man, it's very, very less. Awareness during sexual intercourse or a foreplay or whatever it is, the awareness level is very, very less in man, whereas awareness level in woman is very high. The observation is from top to bottom, from toe to head. Every muscle or every cell for that matter is in full awareness and alertness for a woman. Problems. And here the problem is not about sexual problems, but problem is about worldly problems. Let's say mother-in-law had a fight, or financial problem, or health issue, any problem outside the physical body. When any problem happens for a woman, it is all centralized. Therefore, if there is anything disturbing her mind, she can't fully involve in sex, because for a woman everything is centralized, whereas for a man everything is decentralized when it comes to sex. When a man enters into the world of sex, he forgets all his identity. This happens with man or the manly people in all sector. When they get into work, they forget home. When they are in home, they forget work. When they play, they forget deadlines. When they look into deadlines, they forget the very family. So this is how they work. We have seen in the 18 features already. Experience, what kind of experience they will feel? Mostly selective. Many a times during sexual intercourse, the male body will have a selective experience and rarely collective. Collective, I mean from top to bottom, full body, bodily, the energy level, the happiness level, the excitement level is collective or selective is the question. Whereas for a woman, it is ulta, mostly collective and rarely selective. And last but not least, sleep. After intercourse, if the intercourse has happened with the proper channels and it took foreplay, slow and steady and preparation and complete, it took long time, then a woman can sleep tight. If not, a woman can't sleep. That sexual arousal will not allow her to sleep. It's a sleep killer. Whereas for a man, it is ulta. It's a sleep inducer. Jagadamba. So let us see what next. Caution and action plan. I think we will stop here in this video, and in the next video, we will see further. Watch all the videos fully. Don't skip the videos. Everything is interconnected, and our life is a complete complex structure. So we have no idea which part of our course is going to be very much relevant in our personal life. So I highly recommend you to not skip any video or not rush through these videos. If at all I'm speaking slow, you can click always the option button and speed up my delivery speed. But please don't skip or jump any videos. Thank you.